Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Devin. Created by Cognition AI, Devin is marked as an AI software engineer rather than an AI coding assistant. And the idea is simple but ambitious. So instead of helping you write code line by line, Devin can take an entire engineering task, break it down into smaller steps, execute those steps, test his own work, fix the problems, and even submit pull requests. And that's a very different vision from what most AI coding tools offer. So is Devin really the AI engineer that we've been waiting for in 2026? Let's get started. Well, as earlier mentioned, traditional AI coding assistants operate inside your editor. So you ask a question, they generate the code, and then they wait for your next instruction. They are basically reactive tools. But Devin takes a completely different approach. Instead of waiting for commands every few minutes, Devin is designed to operate more like a remote software engineer. You assign it a task and it can work independently for extended periods of time. Devin aims to function more like a mid-level engineer who can take ownership of a task and come back later with a completed solution. That doesn't mean it's perfect. It still makes mistakes and requires human oversight. But compared to traditional coding assistants, it operates at a much higher level of autonomy. Now let us talk about the main features of Devin. Autonomous software development. This is Devin's headline feature. You can assign complex engineering tasks and let Devin execute them independently. So rather than generating isolated snippets, Devin can plan the project, write the code, run tests, debug issues, iterate on failures, and deliver a finished solution. This level of autonomy is what separates Devin from traditional AI coding assistants. Next, there's the terminal and development environment access. Devin doesn't just generate code. It interacts with development environments using terminals, editors, and browsers. Having access to real development tools allows Devin to work on tasks that will be impossible for simple chat-based coding assistants to do. Another one of most practical uses of Devin is code review. It can inspect pull requests, it can identify bugs, organize code changes, and assist with quality assurance. The platform can also perform visual checks using browser interactions. Debugging often consumes a huge portion of development time, so Devin can investigate incidents, it can analyze logs, identify possible causes, and implement fixes. And for teams that are managing large applications, this can significantly reduce the amount of manual troubleshooting that is required. There's also documentation generation. And let's be honest, most developers hate writing documentation. But Devin can automatically generate technical documentation, system diagrams, code explanations, architecture summaries, and more. And this is particularly useful for older code bases where documentation is missing or it's outdated. Parallel agent workflows. Unlike many coding assistants that work one task at a time, Devin can coordinate multiple engineering tasks in parallel. And for large teams, this creates the possibility of assigning multiple projects simultaneously and reviewing the results later. This is one reason why Devin is primarily targeted at organizations rather than solo developers. Now let us talk about the pricing. There's a free plan at $0, there's a pro plan at $20 per month, and a max plan at $200 per month. Now what are the pros and cons of using Devin? First, we talk about the pros. It's extremely autonomous. Yes, it handles end-to-end tasks. It is excellent for large teams. It learns project contexts and has strong documentation and refactoring capabilities. What about the cons? It's expensive, not fully independent, and it can make mistakes. It's also good to know that it's not a complete replacement for engineers. So, is Devin actually the AI engineer people have been talking about? Well, the answer is both yes and no. If your goal is maximizing engineering productivity and you have the budget, then Devin is absolutely worth considering. But if you're looking for a cheap coding assistant, there are better options that are available. So if you're willing to try other alternatives aside from Devin AI, you may explore Cursor, Cloud Code, and Ripley Agent. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.